Hey guys, Patrick from Iron Rock Off-Road. Got the JL in the shop again, and today we're going to be installing our premium track bar. Hey guys, Patrick from Iron Rock Off-Road. We got the JL in here, and we're doing some steering upgrades, so we figured we'd take the opportunity. Let's upgrade the track bar. Pretty simple setup here. We've got our track bar made from 1.25" solid bar, virtually indestructible. And then this one is going to come standard on the male end with a flex joint. That is a huge upgrade over the Uniball style joint that you're going to see from a lot of manufacturers to include OEM. Now this one in particular is also going to be getting a flex joint on our fixed end. We consider that our premium track bar. The more standard configuration would have a split poly bushing on this side, all of which is made right here in the USA. Now that you've seen what we're working with, let's do an assembly and get it in the Jeep. We're using just kind of a red and tacky wheel bearing grease here. That works fine, but usually whatever you have in the shop works fine. This can be a tight fit. As you can see, I'm getting the first two started, working side to side until we get that assembly to kind of suck together inside there, and then we can go through and do the rest of the hardware. The track bar is fully assembled and adjusted the length, so it's ready for install. Next up, let's get the old one out. All right, just taking some final measurements after the track bar is installed. We did set it to our preset lengths, but after checking, we were just a little bit off. So we made an adjustment, good to go now. So take it for a test drive, but I think we're all set with the track bar install. You can find these on our website, ironrockoffroad.com. Make sure you're following us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and of course, YouTube. Get out of here.